we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DUIBAII 550 watts industrial sewing machine, 110 volt, heavy-duty commercial-grade strength sewing machine. Consists of the following features. Outstanding performance. Industrial sewing machine is equipped with a 550 watt pure copper motor, max 6,500 RPM. The motor provides a powerful output, coupled with a 3,500 stitches/minute high sewing speed, greatly improving production efficiency and meeting the needs of professional tailors or large-scale production. Premium material. Grade strength sewing machine is designed with premium iron, pig iron, blister board, plastic and aluminum materials, which are sturdy and durable. It has great capability guaranteeing a long service life. Sewing assistant. The edge of the stand has a scale design, 39-inch, making it easy for you to estimate the size of clothes. There are a blue slot on the table and a small drawer on the lower left side for storing sewing supplies, greatly improving the convenience during operation. Universal fit. Repair sewing machine's stitch length can be adjusted, 0 to 0.2 inch. It can handle various sewing tasks with dense or sparse stitching, meeting your different sewing process requirements. Low noise. The noise level when the sewing machine is in use is 30 decibels. It provides a smoother operation experience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.